Welcome to the T3AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Go to your TYPO3 page. Select the desired page from the navigation tree. Edit your page property. Enable the Auto Mass Translate feature. Activate Recursive Translate to include all related pages. Confirm your settings by clicking Save. Access and review child page settings similarly. Modify the child page properties as needed. Opt for Mass Translate for comprehensive page translation. Save changes to apply translations. Edit another child page's properties. Navigate to the T3AI option for specialized settings. Select Mass Translate for specific child pages. Finalize your configurations by saving them. Choose to Mass Translate from available options. Add this page to the scheduler queue for processing. Move to the scheduler module to manage tasks. Execute the scheduled translation task. Return to your TYPO3 page to view translations. Check translations under all languages. Observe your smoothly translated main content. Similarly, review the seamless translations of child page content. Visit the child page to see the translations in action.
Thank you for watching the T3AI series.